Meizu M6S is the company first smartphone of the year, and it has all the goodies that you would expect in an entry-level handset of 2018. You have a 18:9 display, a good mid-range chipset, fingerprint ID, and a decent battery, making it a well-balanced smartphone. Here's everything that you need to know about the Meizu M6S. The Meizu M6S comes with an 18:9 display, on a full metal body. The phone features the same U-shaped nano-injection antenna design that we have seen on flagship-grade smartphones. What's interesting is that, unlike the leaks and renders that reveal M Blue branding at the back, the Meizu M6S will continue to use Meizu branding. Like previous smartphones from the company, this one too features a Meizu logo at the back. Rest of the design is pretty simple, with a simple long full-screen front and a simple all-metal back. The Meizu M6S comes with the 1440 by 720 resolution. The screen boasts a 450 nits brightness, wide viewing angles, and 1000 by 1 contrast ratio. The phone will be the first to feature Samsung Exynos 7872 processor, built on 14nm process, with 2 Cortex-A73 performance cores, and 4 Cortex-A53 efficient cores. Note that the chip supports all the 3 carriers in China. There will be 3GB of RAM, and 32GB plus 64GB of storage options. The battery will be of 3000 mAh, with 18-watt fast charging, that charges up to 52% in just 30 minutes. As for the camera, the Meizu M6S's feature a Samsung 16-megapixel CMOS sensor at the back, with f2.0 aperture, and a special HDR, that's developed by Arcsoft for the M6S. On the front, the phone features an 8MP sensor, with f2.0 aperture, Arcsoft algorithms, intelligent facial brightness enhancement, and an adaptive beauty mode. The phone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, that the company says, will feel natural in day-to-day operations. It's pretty quick, and unlocks in just 0.2 seconds. As for the software, the Meizu M6S will come with Flyme 6.2 version, with the company One Mind AI engine. There is a special game mode as well, which the company claims increases frame rate stability by 20% during gameplay. As for the price, the Meizu M6S is priced at 999 yuan, $155, for 3GB plus 32GB model, and 1,199 yuan, $186, for the 3GB plus 64GB model.